Say, look there now. This was up. Yes, I know. Don't lock there. Another old man. I let him go and... ADC
ADC, ADC, ADC,
Thank you for welcoming us. Thank you for being part of this movement. Thank you for believing in what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
We are starting a new politics in Nigeria. We want a politics where politicians will go out and campaign.
Yes, sir.
Where they will go and visit the local people.
Yes, sir.
We want to visit the local people. We want to come to your premises and see how you are. We want to be part of what you are doing.
Yes, sir.
Because we believe that governance is about the people. And we want to go to the people.
Do something for this people.
That's why we're here. To see you, see the pain you're going through, see the difficulties. We are campaigning to ensure that our local governments, councils are working. Because if they are working and our states are working, Nigeria will work. AMAC is a symbol of our local governments all over Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And we want it to work. That is why we're here, campaigning in AMAC and saying, let it work. Today, the schools in AMAC is closed. The hospitals are not working. The facilities are poor. Everything is not working. Security is not there. And everything, our people are suffering. All you hear is tax, 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 tax. All of levies. Today we are campaigning. We have a candidate in ADC. ADC is going to change Nigeria. ADC will change Africa. Today we are telling people our candidate for chairmanship is Dr. Moses Paul. That is the man, Dr. Moses Paul. Dr. Moses Paul is a PhD holder in environment. So he knows how to build the environment. If somebody, I can tell you, if he's here, your schools will not be closed. Your children will be in school. He is somebody, if he's here, there will be more functional primary health care in AMAC. If somebody, if he's here, he will ensure that you do your business in a more conducive environment, and I'm guaranteeing that. So please, let's work with him. By voting him and supporting him, you're also supporting the movement which I'm championing. We need AMAC. We need it to be successful. We want you to help us. We want to do away with the old politics where people are stealing public money. We want new politics where those who manage public money will use it for public good. We want a society where a child of nobody will be somebody. We want our children to go to school. We want to build a better society. And nobody can do it if you don't support us. Go out on the 21st. They will give you money to vote for them. Tell them the money they are giving you is money they stole from you. It is your money they've stolen they are going to give to you. The present AMAC chairman, has he come here? No. Has the present chairman come here? No. Did he come here when he was campaigning? No. He came. Yes, when he won, he stopped coming. This is going to be different. If you vote this one, he will come back. That is the difference. This one will come back. And that's what we want you to do. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you. Obedient. Possible. ADC. ADC. Thank you and God bless you.
Una never tire. Una never tire for hunger. People are saying that they enjoy you. Bless you that they enjoy you. You don't tire. If you don't tire, show say you don't tire now. We never tire for nyama nyama. Me, I don't tire. Oh. But today, I know say my papa day here. So all I want to tell you now say, now my papa be this so I no get another one. Now my papa be this so make I hear you say. Now my papa be this so get another one. Now my papa be this so. A new AMAC is possible. 21st of February, let's come out in mass, vote, defend our vote, let it be counted, snap the result sheet, publish it, and let's move forward to a new AMAC. Is that possible? Yes. Shh. I hear say somebody saying go steal ballot box.
No. Not on our watch. We go steal it. We go steal the president.
I hear say somebody say then go cause nyama nyama. We get another AMAC. We get another country. We get another place. What are we going to do on the 21st? And defend our vote. That is all we are going to do. ADC! 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 God bless you.
Bring her.
Okay, I'm picking some more stuff too.
Are you
We'll just check now. This banana now. Good.